If you want to use two WhatsApp in a mobile phone, at the end of this video, I'll be showing you 2 ways you can achieve that. If you're a return subscriber, keep being amazing. If you're new here, you're welcome. Let's get started. The first option to have two WhatsApp in a mobile phone is through the settings on your mobile phone. Tap on settings. Next is apps. Mine is apps and notifications. Yours might be different. Next is app clone. Yours might be dual app. Tap on it. Mine is app clone. Once you are here, tap on WhatsApp because we are interested in cloning WhatsApp. You can also clone other apps. But here we are interested in WhatsApp. So I will tap on WhatsApp and allow it to clone. It won't take a long time. It will be cloned and then we navigate to the app drawer. When you head to the app drawer right away, you will see that you have two WhatsApp. This is two WhatsApp right now. It has been cloned. So we go ahead to set up a new account with the new cloned app. Tap on it. Agree to the terms and conditions. Here you will input the number you want to use on this new WhatsApp. Okay, the new one, the number you want to use on this new one. You have to input how you want to be verified through an SMS or email or a phone call and tap continue. Give the necessary permissions so that WhatsApp will function very well. Once you are done, you are good to go. This is the verification process. A call was put through to verify this particular number. Once you are done, your second WhatsApp is ready for use. This is how you can use two WhatsApp in one phone. This is the first method. The second one is to use a cloning app. I'll be using Parallel Space. This is Parallel Space. Head to the App Store, install this app, open it and give the necessary permissions for this app to function very well. This is Parallel Space. Unlike the first method, for this method, this WhatsApp will be on this app, not on your app drawer. Okay? If you are going for this method, this WhatsApp won't be on your app drawer. So give the necessary permissions so that this app can function very well. Set up the new account and you are good to go. Once you have given the necessary permissions and you are right here, make sure WhatsApp is selected. Make sure WhatsApp is selected just like so. This is the app we want to clone. If it is not selected, tap on Add to Parallel Space. My WhatsApp has 64 bytes, so I will need Parallel Space 64 bytes support. I had to install this as well. Once you are done, head to the app drawer and tap on Parallel Space. We want to set up this new WhatsApp account. Here, I will select WhatsApp. Give the necessary permissions for this app to function very well and have access to photo and media on your device. Allow. This is Parallel Space starting up. Agree to the terms and conditions on WhatsApp. This process is user-friendly, exactly what we did through the settings on mobile phone. Give the necessary permissions, input the number you want to use for this WhatsApp, input the name you want to use, and tap next. And your second WhatsApp is ready. These are the contacts on your mobile phone that are on WhatsApp. This second WhatsApp is ready. You can send message to your contacts. These are the 2 ways you can use two WhatsApp in a mobile phone, through the settings on your phone or through a cloning app. Thanks for watching, guys. Please like, share, and subscribe. I will see you in my next one. Cheers to your success. Keep being amazing. Bye-bye.